Alright everybody, today we're going to be tackling Sauna on HackTheBox. It is an easy Windows machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run a simple nmap scan, nmap 10 10 10 175. And that comes back. We see domain, web, Kerberos, LDAP, a bunch of LDAP. So this looks like it's probably a domain controller. Yeah, Kerberos, LDAP. So let's go to this website and see what we find. Okay, egotistical bank. Scroll down, see if we see anything interesting. Looks like a typical web page. Go down to the bottom. Client names. Let's see if the home page is any different. No, it looks like it's just about the same. Let's just go a little slower and make sure we didn't miss anything. See, inspect the page contents. See if there's any interesting notes or anything left in the HTML. There doesn't appear to be anything, but let's just keep going all the way to the bottom just to be 100% sure. Okay, there was nothing there. So let's see what other links we have. We have a Teams. Let's see if we can see any teams and maybe find some usernames. Beautiful. So we have Fergus, Sophia. Right. Well, I think we can start copying these usernames. Now, this is trial and error from experience. I know that it's first initial, last name. So, but if you were doing this on your own, you would have to do this a couple times just to make sure. So we have F. Smith. Okay. Just copy all of these down. Okay, and save that. Now I found a really useful Python script called getNPUsers that will help us figure out if these users actually exist, and it tried to read that as a domain. I don't think this one is it. No, this one doesn't look like it's it. Let me search this again. It's called getNPUser. This one. Okay, cool. So we're just going to copy this. Scroll all the way down and copy it. We're going to nano npuser.py. We're going to paste this. And we're going to save. All right, and the syntax for this is Python 3 NP users. Then it's the domain name, which I actually didn't grab. Let me go back and grab that really quickly. So nmap-sv. Then we only need the LDAP port, so port 389. And 10.10.10.175. All right, and egotisticalbank.local is what we need. So paste that in. And then we need to specify a users file, which is the one we just created, user.txt, which I did not save in this directory. Let me move it over here. Yeah, it's not on desktop. So let me move this over to desktop. There we go. Okay, come on. And then we need to specify an output file, and we're going to name it hash.txt. And run. Did that work? Okay. I don't think that worked either. Nope. Huh. np users .py egotisticalbank.local. Does it need to be lowercase? Well, we're troubleshooting this in real time. Let's figure out what the problem is and why it's not working. Let's try lowercase. Okay, that didn't work either. Is it just regular Python? Let me check the syntax real quick. So regular Python? Okay. Are we missing a module? And I guess we are missing this module. Let's try to find it and install it. Going to pip install, and then we're going to paste that. Not found. Let me Google this real quick. And of course, Google reads that as a website. Okay. Is that it? Install. Okay, and pip install. Let me go to this page real quick. Let's see, download. No, I don't want to download this. I guess we'll just do it this way. Pip install. Cool, that worked. Let's try this again, and I could have swore we had Impacket, but let's just... I know how to install this one. Pip install Impacket. That still didn't work. What am I missing? Is it just the IP address? No, it can't be. No. Right? Let's see. No. Huh. What am I missing? Oh. I know what I'm missing. It's always a stupid mistake. It's always a simple little typo that trips you up. We need to specify domain controller is an IP address, which is this. And that time it worked. Those users were not found, but this one was. We see we have F. Smith and a hash value. So this looks like it's a job for John. So we're going to run John. And the word list is user share and word lists, I think. And then rocku.txt. We're going to run that against our hash file, hashes.txt. John not found. Oh, sudo. Always got a sudo. I'm not a fan of this new Kali where you have to sudo everything, but I guess it is more secure this way. And run. Okay, we gotta wait for this to pop up. Should be just about done here in a second. There we go. And we have a password. The Strokes 23. So now we have a username and a password for this Windows system. It's F. Smith, and I have cap locks on. The Strokes 23. So now that we have this login information, we're going to need a program called WinRM. We're going to gem install evil WinRM. Sudo. It's always sudo. Okay, I already had that installed, but that usually takes a couple minutes. Okay, so we're going to take cap lock off. Then we're going to run evil WinRM with the -u for user, then the -p for our password, then it is a -i for interface, which is 10.10.10.175. and we run it. Boom, we have a shell. Let's see, who am I? I am F. Smith. All right, beautiful. So let's see what kind of goodies F. Smith has in his desktop. And we have user.txt. Okay, so now it's time for some privask. Let's go over to the C drive. And I'm going to run net user to see who is on this machine. Okay, we have Kerberos, F. Smith, H. Smith, administrator, and service loan manager. All right, let's download WinPeas. Let's move over to the home directory. Let's download WinPeas and see if we can get WinPeas onto that system to find some useful information. Okay, and we're going to download it. Save. It is a virus, but we want that. Okay, we're going to extract it. And did not extract here. Where did it extract to? Is it still in downloads? Yeah, let's move this back over to the home directory where WinRM is running. Okay, and we're going to download WinPeas. All right, let's run it. Not found. Maybe I don't have write permission in the C drive. Let's go over to users, F. Smith, right? Yeah, F. Smith. Let's go to his documents, is where we started. Let's try to run this again. No, we don't have it yet. Oops, still gotta download it. Huh. Why isn't that working? We are in the home directory. WinPeas is in the home directory. Just ls real quick. There it is. Why? Oh. Because I'm stupid and I was trying to download something that didn't exist. We have to upload WinPeas to here. Not WinPeaks. There we go. All right. It's always something stupid. It's always a typo. Double check and triple check to make sure you know what you're doing. Now let's run it. Right, now this is going to take a while to read through all the pages and pages of output that are about to come out. So when I come back, we will have an answer here. Alright, I did find a user and a password. I'm just checking if there's anything else left in here that's worthwhile. No. Oh, we'll see what we can do with this. So it was the SVC loan manager. And their password was money makes the world go round. Exclamation point. So what we're going to want to do is this still isn't done? Okay. We're going to want to exit this. And we're going to want to rerun the evil winrm command, but with these different credentials. So the password is money makes the world go round. And the user is SVC loan manager. Let's run it. Why isn't this connecting? Did the box crash? I know I typed everything correctly. Did I? Money makes the world go round. Exclamation. That's right. Then SVC loan MGR. Oh, okay. It was an underscore, not a dash. And we're connected. Alright, I am now SVC loan manager. But this is only a stepping stone. Let's try to get Mimikatz on here. We're going to try to get the NTLM hashes for root using Mimikatz. So let's go to Mimikatz releases, and we're going to want the trunk file. Okay, let's download this, extract it to the home directory where we're running from. To upload Mimikatz. Okay, did it not work? Okay, is it in Win32? Okay, there it is. So let's move Mimikatz up one directory to home. There it is. All right, let's try this again. Upload. All right, there we go. I had a problem with the old shell. We're going to run Mimikatz with an LSA dump of the DC controller. We want the user to be administrator, and then we want to exit. And it would be helpful if I close that. So let's scroll up a little bit, and we have the NTLM hashes. Let's copy this, exit again. We want to rerun evil win. This time the user will be administrator, and we're going to use a capital H for hash and run. And let's cd over to desktop. List root.txt, who am I? I am the administrator. And we have completed this box.